Welcome to TCL Grill Cleaning Guide. In this video, we'll take you through a complete step-by-step process to deep clean and restore your grill to its best condition. Step 1. We start by scrubbing the grill surface to remove the top layer of carbon buildup. This loosens up thick grease and debris, making the next steps more effective. Once scrubbing is complete, we switch off the grill and allow it to cool down to 50 degrees centigrade. It's important to avoid chemical evaporation and for optimal chemical performance. Step 2. Now we spray TCL Oven Cleaner evenly across the grill. This powerful formula breaks down grease, fat, and burnt-on food. We let it sit for a few minutes to allow the chemical reaction to do the heavy lifting. Step 3. We use net all-purpose cleaner along with a sponge to wipe away the dissolved oil and loosen grime. This step helps to clear out everything the oven cleaner has broken down. After cleaning, we rinse the surface thoroughly with clean water. This ensures all chemical residues and loosened debris are completely removed. Step 4. Now we apply TCL Descaler Plus, a powerful solution that removes scale, rust, and oxidation. It also neutralizes any remaining alkaline from the oven cleaner, giving the metal a clean, fresh finish. Finally, we apply a thin layer of cooking oil to the grill. This helps protect the metal and prevents reoxidation, keeping your grill in top shape between uses. And that's it. A thorough, professional grill cleaning routine using the right tools and products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and product demos.